Hey, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Waqar Tech, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to tell you that how we buy a jewelry box from Daraz App. So let's start our video. So first of all you have to install the Daraz App. After that you have to open the Daraz App and search here in the search box. Here you can see it, I am writing here jewelry box. After writing jewelry box you have to search for that, and you can see it basically different samples are came in front of you. So here you can see it, different samples are showing in front of you. Here you can see that. So basically you can see it here. I am going to click on that one. You can see it, this green color jewelry bag. So here you can see it, 7 samples are available in this one. First one in front of you, you can see it. You can see it, another one sample. You can see a different color available, green color available, peach color available, and black color available. You can also see inside of this jewelry bag and jewelry box. So here you can see it basically. Here's another sample, you can see it in front of you. So basically here you can see it. Here's another sample, you can see it. Here's another sample, you can see it in front of you. Here's another one, you can see it, and here's the last one sample, you can see it in front of you. Jewelry box organizer, beautiful and portable leather jewelry organizer for rings, earrings, chains. So basically if we talk about the price of this one, then you can see it PKR rupees 799 rupees. If we talk about the original price is PKR 1250 rupees, but after 36% off you can buy it only in PKR 799 rupees. So if we talk about the rating, then you can see it here, 4.6 out of which 5 stars are given here based on 41 reviews, and 233 is already sold. So 134 people already love this product. You can see that here. Free delivery 10 October to 13 October on minimum spend of rupees 599. 5 product questions and answers. As you can see it, fancy 86% positive review. Bank promotion, bank vouchers available, click to collect. Coins promotion, earn up to 799 coins on this item. Redeem coins on checkout to get discount. So here you can see it. If we talk about the variations, then you can see it here, a different color available, white, pink, green, black. As I already tell you, you can see it, different prices difference, you can see it here. So if we talk about the specifications, then you can see it here, brand, fancy, and SKU number is also given here. Delivery, you have to select your location on which you want to get this jewelry box. Standard delivery 10 October to 13 October, rupees 190 service charges. Enjoy free shipping promotion with minimum spend of rupees 599 from fancy. Service 7 days returns, change of mind is not applicable, warranty not available. So basically if we talk about the ratings and reviews, then you can see it here. You can see it, 41 reviews are given here, out of which you can see it, and 19 photos is also given here. What people like about it: excellent quality 5, beautiful color 2, awesome experience 1, fast delivery 1. You can see it, different reviews given here. First one you can see it by Humna K. बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त quality. You can see it, very much satisfied with the quality. Size भी ज़बरदस्त है. You can see it here. Sample is also showing in front of you. You can see it. Here is another one. You can see it inside of this jewelry box. Here is another sample. You can see it here. So basically you can see it. Here is another one sample. You can see it. So different material in this box. Another one you can see it, wisdom experience and travel friendly. Please seller design a big one as well. I am so happy to get it, and the quality is outstanding. I never stop to review highly. So here you can see it, another one by Fatima N. Same as shown, very good quality, 10 out of 10, and color is very beautiful, and it's travel friendly. Alhamdulillah, certified, will buy again. So basically you can see it here, questions about this product. You can see it, 5 questions already asked. So you can see it here, first one question: if I will order it today or tomorrow, then when I will receive my order. You can see it, in Punjab region, order delivered in 2 to 3 days, and in KPK takes 1 to 2 more days. So you can see it here basically, fancy 86% positive seller ratings, 100% ship on time, and 100% jet response rate. So basically if you want to follow the fantasy, then you have to click on the follow option, or if you want to only visit the store, then you have to click on the visit store option. So basically if you have to buy this jewelry box, then you can see here the buy now option at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on the buy now option for buying this jewelry box. Thanks for watching this video.